So I'm in here working on the mini excavator today, and man, it's been a problem. I was trying to get an oil change done real quick so I can finish digging my water lines, but the problem I'm having is, man, getting this thing off was just a terror. I thought, you'd be able to just screw it off with the oil filter wrench, but it just wouldn't budge. So I had to resort to sticking a screwdriver and hammering through it, trying to get all the way through it, and then turning on the actual screwdriver once it was all the way through. And that was the only way I can get it to just budge. And it still didn't want to come out. So I had to end up going every few inches around it just so I can get it turned enough to, get it off. So we finally got it off. We're gonna get the new filter in. But the importance of getting oil around the seal ring so that this thing doesn't seal up is vital. So, when they recommend putting an oil, just dipping your finger in oil or something, obviously wearing gloves, and put it around the ring, make sure it's lubricated, and then pour a little bit in the oil filter itself. It's very, very important. So, so you don't have to struggle with this. You can see how mangled this thing is. I was trying to screw it off, and this part is actually, you just couldn't get through it. So, but we did get it off, so success. We're going back with this filter here. It kind of matches for the application. But remember, oil your ring, your gasket, put a little bit of oil in, and then put your filter on. That's my recommendation today.